The total cost of all of the projects since July 2022 until today is 545 billion pesos.
Just make a clarification. The amount of 545 billion mentioned by the President, budget for flood control, are the ones which he believed awarded to the 15 contractors which he identified last August 11. The actual budget for flood control projects between July 2022 up to May 2025, per the report submitted by the Legislative Budget Research and Monitoring Office of the Senate, is 849 billion pesos. Ina po, sinabi namin yung total flood control budget ay 849. Yun pong 849 billion was only for 2022 to 2024. Ang total po from 2022 to 2025 is actually 1,200,308,300,000 or 1.2 trillion pesos.
Next page.